Hello and welcome to Mr. Cole Science. If you're studying A-level chemistry or physics, this channel is designed to make your journey simpler, clearer, and a lot less stressful. My approach is built around three pillars: learn, revise, and practice. In my Learn videos, we build understanding. I'll break down tricky topics into clear, bite-sized lessons that actually make sense. Then we revise. Short, focused videos that help you recall what matters most, with active techniques that help make content actually stick. And then finally, we practice. I'll walk you through exam-style questions step by step so you can apply your knowledge and see exactly how examiners think. I know A-levels can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. With clear explanations, guided revision, and real exam practice, you've got everything you need right here to build your confidence and boost your grades. So if you're ready to learn smarter, not harder, hit subscribe and let's get started.